What's the meaning of burst? Burst. Burst.
Burst. Burst. The term burst can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to a sudden and intense release of energy, sound, light, or emotion. For instance, a balloon can burst when it is overinflated, causing a loud noise and a rapid release of air. Similarly, a dam can burst, causing a sudden and destructive flood. In computing, a burst can refer to a short period of intensive data transfer. Overall, the concept of burst implies a sudden and powerful event that usually has significant consequences and impact.